Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2025 Lexus LFA. The Lexus LFA is back, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. This next-generation model builds on the legacy of its predecessor, delivering a blend of cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and refined design. The 2025 LFA takes innovation to a new level with a hybrid powertrain combining a high-revving naturally aspirated V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. Together, they generate over 950 horsepower, propelling this beast from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Top speed: a blistering 217 miles per hour. The exterior is a masterpiece of aerodynamic artistry. The LFA's low-slung stance, aggressive lines, and bold proportions scream speed and precision. Its carbon fiber reinforced body not only enhances strength but also reduces weight, ensuring an optimal power-to-weight ratio. The front fascia is dominated by the signature Lexus spindle grille, while sleek LED headlights and sculpted air intakes complete its futuristic look. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for both driver focus and luxury. The digital instrument cluster features customizable displays, providing real-time performance data. The seats are crafted from lightweight materials, offering supreme comfort and support during high-speed maneuvers. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents adorn the cabin, blending sophistication with a sporty vibe. The LFA doesn't compromise on safety. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and active suspension, ensure confidence on every drive. This car is as smart as it is fast. As for the price, the 2025 Lexus LFA starts at a jaw-dropping $850,000. But considering the engineering marvel and exclusivity, it's worth every penny for enthusiasts lucky enough to secure one. The 2025 Lexus LFA is more than just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and a testament to Lexus' ability to push boundaries. If you're as excited about this as we are, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of high-performance luxury. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next ride.